We're showing you 4 unforgettable July 4th recipes, from deep-fried apple pie fritters to smoky grilled potato salad, and even a sweet summer berry clafoutis. Let's get cooking. Number 4. Deep-fried apple pie fritters.
And what's more American than apple pie? Apple pie fritters, of course. Ha! Apples, cheese, spice, fried. I got a stack of Benjamins that says you're gonna love this. Ooh, I want to hug whoever figured out that cheddar is better with apple. Apple, cheese, but in a fritter? Oh yeah. And since I'm going for an all-in decadence overload, oh yeah, duck confit. I went there. That's my filling, this is my dry. I want to put a little bit of clove in there. But first, some nutmeg. Is it a nut or is it a meg? And clove, don't use too much because your face is gonna get a bit numb. I don't feel it anymore. Would you like some fresh pepper in these fritters? It's gonna rock. Oh, and one last spice. Fresh ginger is always better than dry. Do it. I feel like a little Bruce Springsteen song is coming on, but I'm gonna hold back. Smells so good. Now to make this the decadent apple pie fritter. Okay, we're in the home stretch now. It's time to engage the sizzleizer. Sour cream kissed with lemon and honey. Easily the best duck pie cheese apple fritter I ever had.
Number 3. Grilled potato and sweet corn salad.
Grilled potato salad? Say what? I feel a dance coming on.
Feels new whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you. Work on me. You make me work hard. Don't you play on me. And when we play
smoky and spicy chipotle peppers caliente. Raw garlic wakes up any spicy mayo. Just a rough chop on these, no crying today, the machine's gonna do the work. Ketchup, sweet and tangy and as American as red, white, and blue. Sour cream. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh! Gotta get the mayo for the spicy mayo, am I right? Just a couple more buzz, 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 and a brap, 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 and it's done. It's all in the recipe. The salad is served warm, so keep moving. Don't slow down. I'm feeling corny. How about you? Ha! How cool is that? Oh, yeah. Save these for your corn soup. Not a kernel to spare. Dunk. Just to be sure? Oh, yeah, I'm sure. A little for the garnish. The flavor combination is pow! Those tender potatoes, that creamy, smoky chipotle mayo, that sweet corn, and those green onions. Oh, that is July on a plate.
Number 2. Beer-Braised Sloppy Joes.
I think of this as kind of like a grown-up version of a sloppy Joe. And who doesn't like a sloppy Joe? Ooh, it's already so beautiful. Oh, yeah. Blade roast, inexpensive cut and maximum yield. A few hours simmering in beer, and this is gonna fall apart, and there'll be more than enough for your guests to go for seconds. This is called deglazing, but I call it letting the pan have the first round. Malt vinegar is made from beer, as if we need another reason to love it. Worcestershire sauce. Brown sugar adds a little bit of sweetness and a little complexity, kinda like me. Demi-glace. Look at this. Beer-braised beef? Oh, lordy. Perfectly tender. See how forking tender this is? So easy. Only one way to eat this riff on a sloppy joe. Going in. That tender beer-braised beef, the tangy slaw, that crispy soft bun, and that crunchy lettuce. Independence Day, more like Indelicious Day.
And taking the top spot, a colorful summer classic, summer Berry Clafoutis.
This classy dessert is a cross between a cake and a custard. Are you ready? Come on, sugar. Dissolve. Do as I say. You want to know a trick to get a better lift? This creates a wall of flour and butter, and then the batter doesn't stick. All the berries in one layer. Batter up. Interesting story. Clafoutis used to be made with fresh cherries, including the pit. They tasted like almonds. So, almond extract, easier on the teeth. Vanilla. Well combined into a thin, pourable batter. Gotta be quiet with soufflé and slow with clafoutis. Any guess what's under here? Ta-da! Almost there. I see blue, I see red, and white. Oh là là. Clafoutis merveilleuse. In other words, warm, creamy, tart berries, just the right amount of sweetness. What a fourth-tastic feast. This is a tasty way to get together. So crack a beer, party, light some fireworks. Every day is a holiday in my kitchen. What are you waiting for?
These recipes are made to bring people together. Discover more delicious recipes on Gusto TV.